Hi students, today our topic is authentication. Every account in this world need to be authenticated. What is authentication? Authentication techniques are used to ensure only authorized users are able to gain access to a network via username or password, biometrics, swipe cards, and two-factor authentication. First, biometrics. Biometrics is a method of authentication. It relies on unique characteristics of human being. Biometric data is difficult to copy and requires the user to be present so that this method of authentication can be used. Here we have 4 examples of biometric authentication. The first one is fingerprint scan. Second, retina or iris recognition. Third, face recognition. Fourth, voice recognition. First one, fingerprint scans. User will have to press their fingers against the scanner. Fingerprints are compared against those stored in the database. Once they have matched, you will allow access. What is the advantages of fingerprints? Very easy to use, very high accuracy, and small storage required for biometric data. What are the disadvantages? If the skin is damaged, then it may be difficult for the reader to read and recognize the fingerprint. Second example is retina or iris recognition. Scans use infrared light to scan unique patterns of blood vessels in the retina. They will scan your eye. What are the advantages? The first one, very high accuracy. Second, no way to replicate a user's retina. What are the disadvantages? First, very intrusive. Second, it is very expensive to set up. And last, takes a while to scan. Let's look to the third example, face recognition. This is very famous. Physical facial features are scanned and compared to the information held in the database. The advantages, non-intrusive method, and cheap technology. The disadvantages, its physical feature can change over time with age. Last example is voice recognition. User will use speak or voice which will compare the voice to one held on the database. The advantages for this voice recognition is non-intrusive method. Second, it is a cheap technology. Third, the verification is very quick. The disadvantages are only 2, very low accuracy, and also user's voice could be affected by an illness. Next is password. Password also one of the methods of authentication. What are the disadvantages of password? First one, passwords can be guessed especially if they are simple. Example, your password is your name. Second, password may be seen by others. Third, password can be stolen and used by other people. Fourth, spyware could be used to lock keys pressed to get password. Fifth, password can be hacked by using password generating software. This can be avoided when you use strong password, which include multiple characters such letters and numbers. Second, you need to ensure your password is regularly changed. Third, avoid using the same password for all of your accounts. And last, you need to install spyware software which will block the installation of any keylogging software. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day.